Good morning, students. Once again, I am here with grammar lesson. In our previous classes, we learned noun clause, adjective clause, and I told you that the chapter clause is very much important. If you understand this chapter well, so you can write sentence well, you can understand where which clause, which tense will come. So this is very vital chapter. Now remains the last part of the clause, that is what? Adverbial clause, that is adverb clause. Okay. Before knowing the adverb clause, you have to know what is adverb. What are the adverbial words? What are the adverb words? Okay. Actually, adverb is a modifier of verb. Okay. Whatever action we do, whatever action there is in sentence, adverb tells more details about the actions. That means the action, time of action, place of action, manner of action, purpose of action, reason of action, contrast of action. So these type of things are told by adverb. So before knowing the adverbial clause, you need to know how the adverbial clause is identified. Okay, adverbial clauses are identified by some conjunctions, and those conjunctions are called what? Already written, subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so adverb clause begins with subordinating conjunctions like, what are those? If, though, although, until, unless, as if, so that, because, since, while, when, why, where, wherever, whether, how, after, before, then, as though, as soon as long as far as, so that, provided that, even though, in order that, rather than, whenever, etc. There are more adverbs. So these are the adverbs. These are the subordinating, not adverbs. These are the subordinating conjunctions. These are the subordinating conjunctions because they add two part in a sentence. They add two part, that means two clauses in a sentence. These are the conjunctions. Okay, and this tells about what are the things. These things: time, place, condition, purpose, reason, concession, manner, and result. So adverb clauses are of these types. How many types? 8 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adverb clause shows us time, shows us place, shows us, tell us the condition, tell us the purpose, reason, concession, manner, and result. Okay. So with these subordinating conjunctions and the subclause which they form, this subordinating conjunction forming some clause, that means subclause, and those subclauses will be what? Adverbial clause, because they will tell time, place, condition, purpose, reason, concession, manner, and result. Okay. Concession means contrast. Okay, contrast means what? The opposite thing. So these are the adverbs. These are the not adverbs. These are conjunctions. So if you know that this conjunction starts the adverbial clause, then it will be easy for us to identify adverbial clause. Okay. Now I have shown here time, adverb clause showing time. Here the sentence: the man came when it was evening. Here in this sentence, main verb is what? Came. And the man came. If we ask the man came when? So it gives us the time when it was evening. That means in the evening hour the man came. So this verb is modified by this clause. This clause, when it was evening, is modifying the verb came. And when it was evening is telling something about came, telling the time of coming. So this part is one clause acting as an adverb, and you can see this adverbial clause is starting with this subordinating conjunction. This subordinating conjunction. When? So the clause here starting with subordinating conjunction when, and when it was evening, this subordinate clause is telling about the time of the coming of the man. So this is adverbial clause of time. Okay. Now next, adverbial clause of place. He followed me. He followed me wherever I went. So here main verb in this sentence is followed, and this is in principal clause. So followed is followed, the verb followed. If we ask the question, he followed, ask the question, where? He followed me where? The answer comes, wherever I went. Wherever I went. So wherever I went is telling the place. Wherever I went is telling the place of his following. So he is following. This part, wherever I went, is subclause, and this clause is acting as an adverb. So wherever I went is modifying the verb followed. So followed is modifying verb, modified by, followed is modified by the clause wherever I went. So this clause is adverbial clause, and you can see this clause is starting with what? Subordinating conjunction wherever. Wherever. This clause is starting with what? Starting with what? Subordinating conjunction wherever. Okay. So wherever I went is adverbial clause of place. Next condition, adverbial clause of condition. I can help you. I can help you. This is the principal clause, and the help will come in the condition. The help will come in the condition if needed. That means if it is needed, or if you need it. So if you need it, or if it is needed, or if needed, this part is what? Adverbial clause, and adverbial clause of condition, because the help will come. The condition is that if needed. So starting with the subordinating conjunction if, this part is subclause and acting as an adverb, because this part is telling the condition. Okay. So here this is adverbial clause of condition. Now purpose. We can we eat. Eat is the main verb, and this part we eat is the principal clause. We eat. The reason of, the purpose of eating is what? We can live. So we eat so that we can live. We eat so that we can live. So the purpose of eating is our living. Purpose of eating is our living. Why do we eat? So that we can live. So that we can live is acting as an adverb, and this part is telling the purpose of our eating. So here this adverbial clause is starting with so that, the subordinating conjunction, so that. So that we can live, this part is adverbial clause of purpose. Now reason. I could not meet you. I could not meet you. What is the reason? As I was ill. So I could not meet you because I was ill. So this part, as I was ill, showing the reason of my not meeting. Okay, the part is showing my inability to meet. So I could not meet. If we ask the question, I could not meet. Why? So why telling us the answer? As I was ill. So if we ask the verb question why, if we ask the question, we ask the question, the principal part with the word why, the answer is coming as I was ill, and this is telling the reason of my inability to meet. So this is acting as an adverb, and this is adverb clause of reason. Okay. Next, concession. Concession means telling the contrast, showing the contrast, showing the opposite thing. Though he is poor, he is honest. So this part, though he is poor, he is honest. This part showing that he is honest. Maybe he is poor, he is honest. So as because he is poor, maybe he is dishonest. As because he is poor, maybe the situation forces him to be dishonest. But in spite of his poverty, he is honest. So this is the contrast. He is honest. He should not be, as because his condition, but he is honest in spite of his poverty. Though he is poor, he is honest. These two parts, though he is poor and he is poor, he is honest. This part is showing the contrast. And the clause is starting with though. The clause is starting with though, although. So these are always adverbial clause of concession or contrast. Okay. You remember when the clause starts with though, although, this will tell us the adverbial clause of concession. And as because the part is started with the subordinating conjunction though, this will be adverbial clause. And why adverbial clause? Because though he is poor, this part will show the contrast. Okay. Next, manner. He did the work. He did the work. He did the work as I wanted him to do. So he did the work. How? He did the work. Ask the question, how? As I wanted him to do. As I wanted him to do, he did in that manner. So how he did? If we ask the question with how, the answer must be manner. Okay? If we ask the verb and subject a question with how, the answer comes must be an adverb or adverb clause or adverb phrase. So here we are discussing about clause. So if we ask how did the work with a question, he did the work with a question how, the answer comes as I wanted him to do. So this is telling the manner in which way he did, that is telling. And the part is starting with subordinating conjunction as. So if the subclause started with as, that must be adverbial clause. So very easy to point out which is adverbial clause, because there must be some subordinating conjunctions like this, like those. These conjunctions, if we find, so we can understand that they are telling about time, place, condition, purpose, reason, evaluation, manner, etc. The last part, what is that? Result. My performance was so poor that I could not talk to her. My performance was very poor, and the result was that what? My performance was so poor. My performance was so poor means very poor. My performance was so poor, that means I performed very poorly. So this is the principal clause, and my performance was poor, and the result is that what? I could not talk to her. is the result of performance. This performance and result is theirs. So this clause that I could not talk to her, actually starting with the subordinating conjunction, so that here you can see so that telling the reason. My performance was so poor that I could not talk to her. So that I could not talk to her is answering the question, what is the result? The answer is that I could not talk to her. What is the result of my poor performance? I could not talk to her. So this is telling us the result. Okay. So these are all about adverbial clause. If you try to understand, then you have to first of all remember these words. These words are at the beginning of adverbial clause, and these words tell us more or less these things: time, place, condition, purpose, reason, constitution, manner. So adverb, any adverb tells us the time of action, time of place, action of place, action of time of action, time of place, action of place, action of condition, action of purpose. That means whatever verb will be there, about the verb they will tell these things. Okay? As because adverb modifies the verb, not only modifying the verb, adverbs modify the adjectives, adverb modify the other adverbs as well. Okay? Adverbs are those words which modifies verb, adjective and other adverbs. So adverbial clause will act like those things. They will also modify verb, adjective or other adverbs. Okay? Now I think you have understood adverbial clause, and if there is any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. In the next class we will start new lesson. Okay? Bye all of you.